Computers operate in binary, meaning they store data and perform calculations using only zeros and ones. A single binary digit can only represent true or false. However, multiple binary digits can be used to represent large numbers and perform complex functions. In fact, any integer can be represented in binary. When we first learned to count, we might have used one finger to represent one thing. That system is called unary. When we learn to write numbers with the digits 0 through 9, we learn to use decimal. For example, we know the following represents 123. 3 is in the ones column, 2 is in the tens column, 1 is in the hundreds column. Each digit represents a power of 10, since there are 10 possible digits for each place. In binary, with just 2 digits, we have powers of 2 for each place value. If we have the binary value of 011, the decimal value would be 3. Binary makes sense for computers because we power them with electricity, which can either be on or off, so each bit only needs to be on or off. In a computer, there are millions or billions of switches called transistors that can store electricity and represent a bit by being on or off. With enough bits or binary digits, computers can count to any number.